Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to convert Google Docs document to PDF and send to Airtable with PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample Google Docs document and convert it into a PDF format and save to Airtable. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Docs app. And click on New Document option to activate the trigger when a new document is added. Now let's perform a test to verify that the trigger was set up correctly. The test trigger has been successful in detecting a newly added document to Google Docs. We can proceed with adding another application that will allow us to convert the document into a PDF format. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app to our workflow. And choose the Anything to PDF Converter option provided by the app to easily convert our document from Google Docs to a PDF format. Now let's connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. For the Input Format field, select Link to RTF, Doc, Docs Document or File Token Link option. This will allow us to input a link or file to our Google Docs document. For the Input Source field, select File Exists but Not Shown option from Google Docs. This will prompt the app to look for the Google Docs file that we want to convert to PDF. In the Output PDF Name field, enter the desired name for your output PDF file. This will be the name of the file that will be generated after the conversion process is complete. Now let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co for processing the conversion of the Google Docs document to PDF. The test was successful and the Google Docs document was successfully converted to a PDF format. To view the generated PDF document, you can simply copy the URL and paste it into your web browser. Now let's proceed with adding another app to send the generated PDF document to Airtable. In this step, we will integrate the Airtable app to the workflow. And select the Create Record option to generate a new record in the designated Airtable table. Let's configure the Airtable settings. In the Base field, select the Airtable base in which you want to create the record. In the Table field, select the specific table within the selected base where you want to create the record. Next, map the relevant data to the corresponding Airtable fields. Simply select the appropriate Airtable data to ensure that the information is accurately saved in the desired format and location within your Airtable base and table. Let's proceed with testing the Airtable action, which involves creating a new record in the designated table and sending the resulting PDF to the relevant table. The test was successful and the resulting PDF was successfully sent to the designated Airtable table. Please navigate to your designated Airtable table to verify the creation of the new record containing the generated PDF file. Here is the Airtable table that contains the newly added record with the generated PDF file that resulted from converting the Google Docs document. For a comprehensive understanding of PDF.co and its extensive features, we invite you to explore our wide range of tutorials available on our website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.